I don't know why I got the bright idea to go cook outside for no reason. I guess it was probably just because of the boredom that, you know, you get in the Midwest winters. Got this handy fire starter. I've never used one before, but it's something new to try. Why not? And I got a fire starter to hopefully make the process a lot easier. Unfortunately, I started too late and I'm running out of time, so we got fire. Gonna let that burn for a minute. Got our little stream. I don't know if we'll be able to get the water from this that I was hoping, but we'll have to figure it out regardless. If we go down here, this is actually a river. You can see water's actually flowing really fast. You can see a little gap right there, but this going all the way up there down is it's really a big stream, but I call it a river. Getting back now to check on the fire. Looks like we got something going now. Hand's getting pretty damn cold though. Get that piece going next. You can tell that is whipped to hell because I had to go up and actually get this bowl for the cooking. And turns out I can't make it back up without the cart. I had to get a whole running start from back here even just to make it up with that. But I think that's an issue I'll figure out later. We'll start cutting up our meats. We're going to be making, we got a bunch of kielbasa. We're making Cajun chicken, sausage pasta, maybe fuck it, throw in some bacon. Why not? We got Prego. Keeping everything nice and cold in the snow. Super smoky fire. Whew. I think we're gonna go ahead and get this bacon. No, Porkies. Could I have done this before going out in the breeze? Yeah. It wouldn't be as cool though. Like amazingly peaceful out. Porkies. We are totally gonna do that. Sorry, bacon. Hot steamy bacon. Break from cutting. We're gonna go collect some water. Now, the way I'm gonna do it is because this stream comes out of the ground right up there. So, not really worried about any pollutants or chemicals or anything like that. This comes straight from the ground, basically up and then down to the river. I am just gonna set some paper towel over that. And I'm gonna filter it, and then I'm gonna boil it. Filter it through shit. I guess I'm using the life straw. This is already freezing. It's been like 5 minutes. I know there's another stream this way that we should be able to adventure to. It's beautiful out here though. Oh, pine trees. Here we go. The bigger stream. This looks like a decent spot actually. Nice little deep hole right here. And we got a full bowl of water. Perfect. That's some good water. We hardly got anything. We'll get there though. We are out of water, so we gotta go on yet another track. Second pair of gloves is almost toasted up. Ooh, there we go. We're getting somewhere. There we go. Much better. Don't trust the fire. It's our chicken. I always like to put my stripped chicken in flour. Gives it a little bit more of a crunchy outer shell to it. Probably should have put my other seasonings in there with it, but I'm just gonna do it right over the fire. Okay, we got 2 bags of chicken. Put in flour, kielbasa, bacon. We're gonna throw the bacon in, just get some grease going, and then the chicken in right after. But if you want to do it, if I want to do it better, I could probably just put the olive oil in. Yeah, I'm gonna do olive oil. There we go. Good sizzle going. Nothing crazy, but hopefully it's enough. Oh, that's way too much flour. I forgot. I gotta just take the chicken out. Oop. One second. The seasonings, we go with kosher salt, ton of pepper, and that probably good. And then we got Cajun. They're kind of heavy on that. There's no salty also. Call that good. Should have got this going first. But as usual, I forgot. We go with these. Oh, man. We got garlic powder, but I think I'll go out there. Actually, not least, we'll do a little bit of rosemary in that. And it's mixing. This isn't hot enough to get me my crispy layer. Whoops. Yeah, look at the bacon in there. I'll get some more grease. When in doubt, throw in a stick of butter. I'll do half a stick. No. There we go, we're getting some crisp. Ooh, even some burn. Oops. Ooh, that is hot now. I'm waiting for this to boil. Get some of this warm water. It's really not even that warm. But I am going to make some tea. Let's drop that right in the fire. A little bit of caffeine to keep us going. Cheers. Fuck. Cooking good eats though. Oop, time to put in the pasta. Gonna put in 1 box of regular penne, 1 box of protein rigatoni. Mm, 11 minutes. Chicken's good. It's out of tune. It is currently, feels like 6 degrees, and it is actually 8 degrees. It's about done for the pasta. I'm done. Chicken noodle. Tastes like a noodle. Oh, that's hot. Oh no! don't know. I always like a little cream. Anytime I make pasta, just throw some of that in there. Oh, burning a bag of mozzarella cheese. Just about done. Good and cheesy now. Man, I gotta lie, that's pretty damn good. Oh yeah. I haven't eaten all day. This is great. I thought the chicken would honestly be way overcooked, but it's damn near actually perfect. My first time cooking pasta on a campfire. Well, it's 5 degrees out, but it turned out shockingly good. Well, it's about 7 o'clock. It's getting colder and colder. I think it's about time to head inside, but